Okay folks, this is Eric coming from Kansas again. We are harvesting our radishes today. Beets over there, here's the radishes. I think they look pretty good. We planted them in early April. It's mid-May now, 2022. And Lena, grab a couple of those radishes in there and let's see what they look like. Ooh, very nice. We just got about 4 so far. We got a lot more to go. So we will show you what we have and measure what this is. So it's a 10-foot bed of Mittleider radishes, and we will see how many pounds we get here. So stay tuned. All right, everybody, we're about halfway, maybe 2/3 through harvesting our radishes, and looking pretty good. Got some nice ones that were hidden in the dirt. These radishes. Some you can't see, and the dirt is so nice and loose. They just expand in the dirt and have no problem. They don't have to come up above ground to build themselves into a radish. It's pretty nice, pretty cool. Nice colors too. Are they nice colors, Charlie? Yeah. Yeah. Are you helping out, Daddy?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Alright, so I'm making the last part of this video about 3 weeks late. Apologies about that. Forgot to make a post-harvest video right away after we harvested the radishes, but this is an example of what we got. I have this thing full here, plus some other ones. So we had about, I think it was about 2.5 pounds of radishes, I think what this is. I don't know, whatever, I'm not sure how big this thing is, but it's a spinach container, but anyway, we used it. So that's an example of some of the radishes we got. Here's some of the bigger ones after 5 weeks of growing once we had planted them, I think. It took a few days for them to pop up out of the ground. Radishes are usually pretty quick. So this is what we pulled out in mid-May. Today is June 5th. So I'm gonna in this video was showing you we left some in the ground to go to seed, and so I'm gonna go outside of here in a minute and show you what those look like, to see what they look like almost 2 months after planting them. So hold tight. Alright, so we're out here with the radishes I left in the ground about 3 weeks after we harvested them. You can see they're flowering now, which is pretty cool, red flowers. So if you look under here, see, you saw how big those were, about a month of growing or so. Look at these guys now. They're quite ginormous. They're about the size of this one's about the size of a medium-sized Irish red potato. So yeah, so again, to review, about after 4 weeks or 5 weeks of growing in a 10-foot section of Mittleider garden bed, got about 2.5 pounds of radishes. I'm not sure what the book mentions, but I'll have to go back and review that. But could have left them in the ground maybe another week or two. Probably could have gotten a lot bigger harvest even then. But it's I wanted to get these sweet potatoes. These are white Jersey sweet potatoes, so had to get those in so you get a nice growing season in, and I'll give you an update on those or review on those later on. But yeah, so there's another radish about the size of a smaller Irish red potato, but anyway, some good yields here on when you leave radishes in for almost 2 months. You get some good yields. Of course, you know, they go to seed by then, but I'm not sure how they taste. They might change the taste when they start going to seed. But anyway, that's what we got for a radish harvest. Hope that it's fun to watch. Enjoyed it. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. Grace and peace be with you. Bye for now.